Hey guys, happy Monday. It is still Monday, right? So today's principle of the ABCs of manifestation is Principle H. Principle H stands for hope. Hope deferred makes the heart sick. You have to make sure that you're staying hopeful at all times. Not the hope that says, I hope that I get the job. I hope that this loan goes through for my home, or, I hope that I'm favored or blessed in this way. It has to be the type of hope that excites you, that ignites you, that has you enthusiastic about what it is that you want. Has to be that very high vibrational, excited hope. That hope looks like, I'm hopeful that I will get the job. I'm hopeful that this favor will be a blessing or will happen in my life. And I'm hopeful that the loan will go through. More than that, I'm hopeful that it's already happened. I'm hopeful that it's mine because I claim it and I have affirmed it, and so be it. So just remember to always stay hopeful in things. Be hopeful that blessings and favor are manifesting and are happening in your world. You don't want to just hope for things. You want to be hopeful in things. Because again, once you have prayed for it or the desires in your heart, it is already yours. The only issue is when we begin to act as though we don't know that what we want or what we desire is already ours. So Principle H is stay hopeful in the things that you desire and hopeful that favor is fair and blessings and things are working in your favor and nothing is working against you. Happy Monday. I'll see y'all next week for Principle I of the ABCs of manifestation.